Hopefully now everyone congregates in here rather than the small one. This is the front door. This is our kitchen, and like it's quite a good size.
It's decent size.
Well, when we bought the house, this was sold as the dining room, and this is one of the rooms that didn't have any real work. Oh, what an amazing idea to make this into the kitchen. And then when Home Improvements messaged me and said, we want to do that and jump on board, I ain't gonna say no.
3.
Oh my God!
Oh, it's carnage.
Best Christmas present I've ever unwrapped that. What is that?
Underfloor heating.
That works on the wall.
That looks nice, doesn't it?
Yeah, that is proper. The big one.
The big one. Stop.
Okay.
Oh my God!
That's cool. Hopefully now everyone congregates in here rather than the small one.
This is the place to be.
Yeah, this is good. I think, well, the lads have done an absolutely sick job in here, and to do it in time, it's wicked. Like, well done, lads. Everyone to And now that everyone's gone, this is the completed project. Table and chairs are in. I think they look okay. It looks a bit lost at the minute, but I don't know, maybe we need some more furniture in here. Little stand there. The skip is yet to go, but that will eventually go. And this is what it looks like. What a absolute transformation the kitchen has gone under. Brought so much more light in it. A lot of people commented on the Home Improvement channel about the beam here and the roof being so low. Well, the living room is above it, so you couldn't put the beam into the ceiling because then you'd just have a big lump in the living room. This is like, remember, an old chapel, so everything's a bit quirky. It goes like up and down levels all over the place, but absolutely buzzing with that. Looks really, really good. I think we've just got to do some more stuff to the rest of the house now.